guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a long wearing summer makeup routine. I wanted to share with you guys a bunch of products that last all day and are perfect, especially for the summer, to make sure you have a makeup look that lasts all day, looks flawless all day and everything like that, and won't you know, wear out and everything like that due to the warm weather. So yeah, I have a bunch of new products that I've been loving and been using almost every day, especially in the warmer weather. My makeup game has been amazing due to these products, so I just wanted to share them with you guys, and I use them today to create this summery look right here. So I want to show you guys that, and let's just address the elephant in the room. I do have bangs. It's a new thing for me just today. They're not really sitting the best, but I've had them for about 2 weeks now and I'm honestly kind of obsessed with them. I wanted to do a little bit of a change for the summer, but I can still wear them back and stuff and get them out of the way. I just thought, why not kind of switch it up for summer and kind of do a new look with my hair. If you've been watching me, you know that I've had the same hairdo, the same haircut forever now, so I thought, why not switch it up a little bit. But yeah, I'm liking them so far, so yeah, just wanted to address that. But anyways, let's just get right on into this tutorial. Alright guys, so I'm just going to get started. I'm going to start off with a bit of skincare routine. So I already washed my face this morning, and during the summer months my skin isn't as dry as it usually is, and you know, because of the warm weather and stuff, makeup just slips right off. So I don't really love using a moisturizer in the morning as much in the summer, so especially when I'm wearing makeup, I like to just go in with a serum. I find that a serum still gives me the moisture I need, but it makes makeup sit a little nicer and it doesn't act as heavy as a moisturizer would, especially in the summer where your skin already has that excessive oil from the heat outside. So I just like using a serum for like full glam makeup in the summer, and today I'm going to be using the Lagunamoon vitamin C serum. So this is 15% of vitamin C. It has hyaluronic acid and amino acid. This stuff is great for evening out your skin tone or kind of combating any of those dark spots. It's really great to add some brightness to your skin, and it doesn't emphasize texture or anything like that. So I usually just take some of this. It's super liquidy, so I either take it on my hand or put it directly on my face, and then I'll just blend it out. It's also really nice and refreshing because it literally just feels like water at first, but obviously it's not. So I'll just blend this on my skin and then kind of tap it in. So I actually love this stuff. I've been using it for a while now, and I just think it makes my skin really plump. It has those moisturizing factors that I like, but it's not too heavy on the skin, and it leaves a little bit of a sticky, like tacky texture, which I actually like for makeup application, because then your makeup kind of sticks and adheres to it, so it makes your makeup last a little bit longer too. So yeah, it's just a really great serum for the skin, and I wanted to mention it to you guys. And I do have a 30% off discount code for you guys to use. I'll have it on the screen down here and also in the description box below if you guys want to check this out. It's a really great serum. Just wanted to mention that real quick. I'm going to prime the skin, and I'm going to start off with my Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. This is one of my absolute favorites, you guys already know, and I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger. You need like a pea-sized amount, and I love using this just to smooth out my skin and kind of create a barrier for my skin. And the product, it's really good at filling everything in, smoothing out your skin, and it's just a great primer for long wearing makeup days. And I'm actually going to use a second primer today. I know I'm always extra like that. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Primer. This one is amazing for making your makeup last all day long. I always use it, and whenever I need my makeup to last all day long, this is the one I'll reach for. So just gonna take a little bit of this. Again, you don't need a lot at all. And even though this one is a matte primer, it doesn't dry out my skin at all. It leaves my skin super smooth, and I love that about it. Gonna smooth it out, especially in this T-zone where I get a little more oily. And I always like to let my skin products kind of sink into the skin for a few minutes before I go in with foundation. So while that's happening, I'm going to just fill in my eyebrows slightly with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Next step is foundation, and I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation. I've talked about this in a few videos already, and guys, this has quickly become one of my absolute favorite foundations ever. I've been using it on a daily basis, and I can't stop because it's so great. And I'm going to be using the Real Techniques foundation brush to apply it. This is literally one of the best foundation brushes I've ever used. Great application with this one, and because this is a very liquidy foundation from L'Oreal, this one's really dense and will really give you great coverage and everything like that. So just gonna smooth it onto my skin. I actually don't even need that much product with this one. Goes on so nicely, gives a really even look to the skin. I'm not going to do like full coverage since I will be going in with concealer anyways. So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Been loving this stuff as well. This little combo right here is amazing, and it's just been so easy, like an everyday thing. I apply a light layer of the foundation and then kind of go in with this concealer. So I'm going to go in right under the eyes here, just kind of pat it in on the little between the brows, down the nose, and then I'm just going to slightly spot conceal in my cheek area where I have more redness, and on my chin a little too. And then to blend that out, I'm just going to be using my Morphe sponge. I find a sponge works best with this concealer. Alright, so everything is all covered up, and you can see now that I have like a lot more coverage with the concealer. So now it's time to set everything down. I of course will be using my Coty Airspun powder. That always makes a mess no matter what. This powder, I swear, does wonders, and it will be your best friend when you want full coverage, long-lasting makeup. It actually gives you extra coverage on top of your foundation. It just kind of gives you that extra touch of coverage, and it makes everything last so long. So I actually pack on the powder when I want really long wearing looks, especially because when the weather gets warmer, your makeup just likes to melt off. So I'll pack on the powder, and then I'll show you guys later how to get rid of that powdery look. But I like to pack it on initially, especially the eyelids, so I don't get any creasing in the T-zone and like my nose area. We're going to go in with some bronzer, and I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. This is a really long wearing bronzer. It goes on the skin really nicely, and I'm just going to warm up my complexion a bit. Then I'm going to be going in with some blush. I've been loving this Milani blush in the shade Dolce Pink lately. It's a really beautiful bright pink shade, and I just think for the summer it looks so gorgeous and shimmery. Milani baked blushes do wear longer too, so I like that as well. I love this blush right here. It's really pinky and beautiful. For highlighter, I'm going to be going in with a new one I've been trying out recently, and this is the Wet n Wild I'm So Lit Loose highlighter. It's just a really pretty like champagne color. Like, look at that shade right there. So gorgeous. So I thought, why not? I used this in my recent video and fell in love, so I thought, why not use it again today? I'm going to be using this Lorac palette today. I haven't used this in a while, so I thought, why not? The eyes aren't really the main focus of this video anyway. It's mostly like the face. So I'm just going to take this taupe color and really blend it out into my crease. Then I'm going to build up this shade Sable on the outer corner. And then I'm going to take this Colourpop Yes Please palette, and I'm going to take this warm shade called GNO, and I'm going to pop this on that outer corner just to warm it up, like add some warm shades in there. Like so. Yeah. bring it through the crease as well. And then for the lid, I'm going to be using the Milani Hypnotic Lights eye topper in the shade 01. This is what this looks like right here. It's a really gorgeous gold shade. These things last so long on the eyes, so that's why I wanted to show you guys this today. So pretty. You guys know these are one of my faves. So I'm just gonna kind of cut the crease with this today. Kind of outline half of my crease and then blend when I get to the middle with my finger, like so. And then I'm gonna deepen out my outer corner with this dark brown shade. I'm gonna mix a bit of GNO in there. I'm just kind of place this slightly on the outer corner. Like so. So keeping it really simple on the lid today. I'm gonna go mimic this look on the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, so it's super like smoky summer. I love doing these types of looks, especially in the summertime. I'm gonna do my lower lash line real quick. So I'm just gonna take a Note to Self and kind of brush this along. And just really smoke it out. And then I'm going to take GNO and concentrate this on the outer corner and connect it to that kind of line, diffused line I've created for that V shape on the outer corner of my eye. This kind of makes everything look out like really smoky, and kind of smoking your makeup out will make your eyes look longer and bigger, so that's why I do that. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with Full Zip, just slightly right under there. And then I'm going to use that Wet n Wild loose highlighter to highlight my inner corners. And then a really good trick is to take any excess powder that you have on your sponge, kind of use it just to clean up right at that edge there. If you feel like it's a little too much, just take that sponge, press it, and it will kind of clean everything up for you. I just added some mascara and lashes off camera. These ones are the Kiss Pageboy lashes. They're just really like fluffy and stuff, and I thought they work perfect for this eye look. So now let's just add some lipstick. I think I want to do like a bright orange kind of to match my nails. I've really been craving some color, and I've been doing so many nudes lately for like every day, so I thought why not do a bit of color today. I'm gonna start off with this lip liner. This is the Rimmel Lasting Finish lip liner in the shade Red Dynamite. These Rimmel lip liners are some of the best, and they'll really make your lip looks last a lot longer. So I'm just going to apply this. So it looks crazy right now, but then I'll use the lip liner to kind of shade in like so. And then I'm going to go in with a matte lipstick. This is the Maybelline matte lipstick in the shade Craving Coral. Look how gorgeous this color is. Oh my gosh. And I want it a little more orange, so I'm going to take this Milani lipstick in the shade Sweet Nectar. It's like a really true orange shade. I'm just going to apply a bit of that on top. And then to finish this look off, I'm just going to set everything all down. So this is honestly probably one of the most important steps, especially since we applied all that powder. My skin is looking a little powdery in my mirror, so setting spray is really going to melt that powder in, but make sure your makeup still lasts all day, so it's a really crucial step. I'm going to go in with two today, so I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is really good for making your makeup last all night. And then I'm going to go in with the Milani Make It Last Matte Charcoal Setting Spray. This is a matte setting spray, but since it is in a spray form, it'll give you that natural dewy finish without making you too shiny. So it'll kind of lock everything in and maintain the matte look of your makeup throughout the day. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed my kind of long wear, full glam face of makeup, especially for these warmer summer months. It's really important to have a makeup routine that won't melt off your face in a few hours. So this one really works for me. It wears really long time and stays looking flawless for a long time as well. So yeah, I just wanted to share it with you guys and show you some of my new favorite products as well. But anyways, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.